First of all, before I start, guys, I have to address this news. So there's been news going around that Tiwa Savage was pregnant for one of Davido's co-member, Obama DMW. Now that news is not legit, it's not factual. It was from a blogger and it has not been authenticated. You know how these bloggers are. So all those people that's going about with this news, just know that that news has not been proven true. Anyway, let's jump right on into the intro of the day. You have this Afrobeat News. People, guys, it's me, Kevin. Welcome back to Afrobeat News, your number one source of Afrobeat entertainment and just coming at you. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe as well as turn on post notification and stay tuned for more Afrobeat related entertainment and gist coming at you, guys. Guys, moving on into the first news of the day, you have the one and only Rema. Now, Rema has come out to react to the industry haters and backbiters that have failed to acknowledge all his wins in the music industry. So far, we know that Rema has been doing marvelously well in the industry. At a very young age, he's been constantly killing it with hits upon hits, winning awards and breaking boundaries. Anyway, it seems like the fact that he's not really been acknowledged, or his wins have not really been acknowledged by his haters, has actually gotten the best of him, because he's come out to tweet openly at all of those people that have refused to acknowledge his wins. In his tweet, he was telling them that, look, I'm going to keep shoving my wins in your faces up until you guys start acknowledging me, because I know you guys are intimidated by my wins. Anyway, without much ado, let me go on to read exactly what the news headline had to say about this. So King of Afrobeats Rema has gone on Twitter to rant about artists and haters in the industry who choose to ignore his achievements due to his age. The 20-year-old superstar confessed that he intentionally rubs his achievements on their faces, as they tend to always sweep his wins under the carpet because they are intimidated by him. This is what Rema wrote: "Put my wins in their faces because they're quick to sweep it under the carpet, because it be too intimidating coming from a young N-word." And now, his tweet is short and indirect, but fans suspect it's related to the 63rd Grammy Award. Rema is signed to Mavin Records and has recently dropped his first single of the year, Bounce, which happens to be the hottest and the number one song on all music charts. Now, first of all, my question as regards what's going on with Rema is it that he's getting these hates from his colleagues within his own record label? Is it that the hate is coming from within his own camp, that's Mavin's record, or is it that just a general thing that's going on in the Nigerian music industry, that people or industry folks, whether the old folks or the new folks, are hating on him because of his age and because of his style of music? So guys, tell me what you guys think about it. To be honest, I've looked at it. The Nigerian music industry seems like a very, very toxic free space compared to other music industry out there. You have a lot of artists collaborating with artists. They seem to be like this general brotherly love between artists, or sisterly love between artists. Artists collaborate, work together, and they tend to, even during their shows, they tend to promote themselves and promote other artists with their shows. But the fact that Rema is coming out to say that there are haters in the industry and everything like that, do you think Rema is actually referring to the actual industry, Nigerian music industry, or probably within his camp, the Mavin's record crew, people within that his circle? Well, like I said again, tell me, give me your opinion, tell me what you think about this. And let's move on to the next news of the day. You have the one and only OBO Davido. OBO Davido has come out to reveal that he will be playing a taxi driver in his new movie. Well, in a new movie, a new Hollywood blockbuster that's coming up very soon. We've begun to see the transition of Davido into more Hollywood movies. We saw him star with Eddie Murphy in the movie Coming to America 2, and in that movie, which I think was a good movie. I mean, people have mixed reaction on that movie. I think it was a good movie. Davido did his thing and it came out really well. So it turns out that that one will actually be the last movie that Davido will be acting in Hollywood. Davido actually has another movie that is coming out very soon, and it seems like the movie has been shot already, it's been done. Davido even went as far as revealing the character he will be playing in that movie. He told us that he'll be playing a taxi driver. In fact, this is exactly what the news headline had to say about this. Popular Nigerian singer and performer David Adeleke, alias Davido, has revealed that he is a cast on a new Hollywood movie yet to be premiered. The Afrobeat singer also disclosed the character he played in the movie, a taxi driver. This disclosure was made while he was a guest on an episode of the I Wanna Talk podcast. The 28-year-old father of three also mentioned the director of the movie as Edward Zig, the same director of the movie Blood Diamonds. Guys, if you haven't watched Blood Diamonds, that movie is nothing but spectacular. The Jowo Kona also revealed that he has already recorded 2 studio albums adding that she is only waiting for the right time to put them out. Now, first up, Davido is working his ass off. Like, this guy is working really hard. 2 studio albums already available for Davido to put out. After he just did madness with his A Better Time album. Man, this guy is grinding really hard. And the fact that he still has time to play in some of these big blockbusters coming out very soon is just spectacular. Last thing I have to say that the transition from Afrobeats, from being a popular musician to becoming a movie star, is something that we've seen with a lot of other genre of music. When hip hop was still on the rise, in the late 80s, early 90s, you had a lot of top artists in that genre moving into like Hollywood movies and becoming actors. You had Ice Cube, you had Tupac back in the day, and all these are and all these, like even Biggie. These guys transition, and the fact that the transition actually helped expose them to a much different audience. So I think this is a very, very genuine avenue that Davido is using to push his music even further. Going through the Hollywood route to take Afrobeats a step further. That's genius actually, guys. Anyway, moving on to the next news, you have the one and only Davido again. Davido has come out to react to Kanye West making the Forbes list. Now, first off, guys, there's this news going around that Kanye West is now the richest black man in America. That's false. That's been proven false. That is not true. Kanye West, though he's very rich right now, he's a billionaire, and his net worth is about $6.6 billion. He is now the richest black man in America. Anyway, that has not stopped Davido from coming out to react to Kanye West achieving such very, very high feat. This is what actually is written about the video reacting to Kanye's accomplishments. In the early hours of Thursday morning, news of American rapper fashion mogul Kanye West hits the internet. His estimated net worth of $6.6 billion has created such a buzz on social media that many couldn't help but Google him. Now, the video reacted to this report via his IG story, where he indirectly informed his fans of his new life goal. So it's a post of Kanye West that the video actually posted on his page and titled it Inspired. So guys, what do you think about the video coming out here to applaud the one and only Kanye West over his achievements in the Forbes list? And you guys should realize that Kanye West is actually going through a divorce right now. When you go through divorce, you usually lose money. You can look at Dr. Dre right now, is currently losing money because of his whole divorce issue and everything. And I think he even suffered a stroke all because of the pressure or the stress coming out from the divorce and everything that's going on with that. But it seems like Kanye West is not really stressing about it. He's making more money, and whatever he's doing it really well. So guys, moving on to the next news, you have this gossip going on right now that Tiwa Savage was allegedly pregnant for Davido co-member Obama DMW. Now, you guys know I'm not a big fan of gossip, and I don't even think that this is factual, but I'm just going to read exactly what the news headline has to say about this. Blogger alleges that superstar pop singer Tiwa Savage lost a pregnancy for one of Davido's co-member Obama DMW. This is coming after a different blogger hinted that a popular superstar lost a baby for Habib Osman, aka Obama DMW. According to Cutie Jules, Tiwa Savage and Obama are having an affair that led to the pregnancy right before Tiwa went for cosmetic surgery. Now, taking to her Instagram, the blogger wrote, Tiwa was pregnant for Obama. She is no longer pregnant. The last time the pregnancy was there was just before her cosmetic surgery. Lost the pregnancy. Don't ask me how. The two lovebirds are being more careful now as Tiwa doesn't want any child born out of wedlock. Both Tiwa and Obama have a son each, with Obama's son being the older one. So there is no pressure from any of them to want to have a child now. Guys, like I said earlier on, I don't really think this is real. I think this is fake news. But assuming this is real, if this is real, this would tell me that these guys have people in their camp that are leaking this story to the press or leaking this story to these bloggers. Because you have to realize that there's no way anybody will get this kind of information except if you have people within their inner circle. And Tiwa is a very high profile celebrity. She doesn't really need all of this other extra attention. Her relationship life doesn't have to be out there, especially things that have to do with pregnancy, which is a very sensitive issue. If she suffered a miscarriage or if she terminated the pregnancy, that is her own thing to do, and that is her right. And this shouldn't be out, in the media. So if it's coming out and it's actually true, then there are people in her team or there are people in Obama DMW's team that have no regard for their privacy and and any of that, and is willing to leak this story to the press just because they want some change, which is quite sad. So we have to actually acknowledge this, and we have to realize that if this is true, Tiwa probably need to cut some people out from her team, and maybe Obama DMW need to do the same if that be the case. But guys, like I said earlier on, I don't believe this is true. I believe this fake news. Some of these bloggers, what they do is just try to create a story that actually sticks. If it sticks, they run with it. So I'm thinking that this story is from one of those fabricated stories. Moving on to more interesting, entertaining gist, you have the music mogul, music icon P Diddy coming out to congratulate Burna Boy over his Grammy win. Now, P Diddy was a co-producer of Burna Boy's Twice as Tall album, so this is pretty much a win for him as well. And I would say that P Diddy's contribution to that Burna Boy's album is so obvious. I mean, you could see these years of experience speaking through the instrumentals, the production quality, and he also lended his vocals to some of the songs on the project. You could see P Diddy introducing some songs. Anyway, without much ado, let me go on to read exactly what the headline has to say about this. So the co-executive producer of the Twice as Tall album, P Diddy, has congratulated the Nigerian music star Burna Boy over his first Grammy Award win. P Diddy took to his Instagram page to celebrate and laud the self-acclaimed African giant for his rare achievements in the music industry as he shared a photo of Burna Boy in the post. Celebrating the Grammy winner, he wrote, "You did it, King," with multiple exclamation marks at Burna Boy Gram hashtag Twice as Tall. Now, Burna Boy and Wizkid have continued to be celebrated by different personalities over their Grammy Award win. Even the president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari has also congratulated the duo. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. P Diddy coming out here to congratulate Burna Boy. It's good that these guys are still friends. Probably would have more projects from them, and probably will have more Grammys coming in from the side of Burna Boy. Guys, that's pretty much time for you guys today. Thank you for chilling with me, hanging with me, and listening to this news. I really appreciate you. Anyway, guys, I'm pretty much out for now. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe, to not post notifications, and stay tuned for more Afrobeat related entertainment. I'm out for now, guys. Peace.